Hello guys, Foxy Weather here, welcome back, and I'm going to show you the floods on the other side of Wolston. As you can see, this lake is very high, and my recording keeps stopping for no reason, don't know why, not storage, because it would have said. But you can see right here, that will be a good over a metre high, deep I mean. Yeah, the rivers are so high, as you saw last video. So yeah. Oh, it's still rising, it's rising rapidly. So later on we're gonna look at it, and it's starting to rain. Oh, could get 30 millimeters. Now phone, do not stop recording. Sakes. But yeah, got me this red warning for rain. Quite mad actually, to be honest. That's pretty mad to have a red. I wasn't expecting a red, but there is now. Oh bloody hell, big wind gusts coming in. Yeah, it could get to 3 meters honestly, probably could do actually. I think we will, you know. I know it's going to reach 2.50, 2.50 for sure. Let's go down here and have a look, you can see. Well, yeah, we need to look around the woods for damage, don't we? There's loads of twigs and stuff. Because I didn't look around the woods properly, but you know. That's like dripping, that is. That is always saturated. Oh yeah, there's quite a lot of water around. Oh, never mind. There goes that. See some pollution getting caught up in that. Yeah, how much rain we're gonna get from this bit of rain? Not sure. But yeah, that red warning is 100 to 140 millimeters. That's a lot.